this is the demo for the web programming with Node.js course, and in this demo I want to talk about the web app we built for the midterm project to use Docker with it, and how we make the deployment of Docker to that web app, like step by step. So for this, I will first run with Node.js for the web application first to make sure that the normal web application works. So I will run with npm run dev start. Since I installed node mode and I set to dev start. So I haven't stopped. I haven't stopped the Docker in the same port, so I will stop it with Docker compose down first, and then the frontend container, backend container, and Azure container will be removed. Okay, so now I can start with npm run start, and now node.server.js is running. So to make sure we will run this localhost to 3000 because I set the port to 3000. And in this, this application is simple task management application. In this, we can log in and we can create account. And for the creation, this is like some funny way to make the forgot password, but I add functionality inside to make user to be able to change the password. So for the create password, we can generate username that will generate a new username that is not in the database. So in this, if I click this, generate this, this will display usernames of different username that is available to you. So I will use user 745, and for the password I will use let's say 123. And if I type 1234 in the confirm password, to sign up, the error will show password do not match, and generate username again user 505 123 and 123. If that is the creation is successful, it will lead us to login page. So sign up, it will lead to login page. So I will sign up with user 505, and then for password is 123. So if I click 1234 login, invalid password will show, and if I click like user 555, which not will leave it, and 123 user not found. So let's login with valid username and valid password. So login is login. There is no task display because the user is just created, and in this, this is the profile. This is the default image of the user. So to change this, I can choose image and then my some profile and upload image. So that image is changed, and in this we can change username and password when we type our current password. So our current password is 123, right? So in this user 505, instead of 505, let's change this to user 555, and then save changes, successfully updated your change. This is still 505 because I haven't reloaded yet. So reload this is changed to 555. And so if I want to change the password, check the box so we can type in some password, and let's change to 1234 and confirm your password to 123. Let's see what will be like that. It will display password do not match, and please try again. So if I type the match password, successfully update your changes. So in this, our current password will be 1234. So if I click like this, invalid password will be shown because the current password is entered as 123. So enter 1234, save changes, successfully updated your changes. And click no changes detected because I haven't changed nothing. Then we can view this, and then this is the analysis part. Since we have 0 tasks, 0 ongoing tasks, and 0 finished tasks, the analysis task display like this. So to be able to make a change, let's create some tasks. So to do and create task and do homework, and task description is finish that today, and let's say easy part is an easy task, and if I click create task, the new task is added, and then if I go to the analysis part, the default stated task is added, and in this the chart is default has 1 task and the other has 0 tasks. You can see like that, and then we can create other task again, hard task and dash, and the stated is focus easy pie, so it's green, focus is blue, and let's create another one with hee with description of haha, and then stated is important is red. In this will show the task in progress. So I can start task, so it will be in the ongoing task, and I can finish the task, so it will be in the finished task. So in this I can edit the task to from finished task to default task and other things. So it will be in the default task. So in the analysis we can see there is 3, there will be 3, and this is 0. So we can also delete tasks. I show the list, okay, and the task is deleted. If you want to see the specific task, we can click, and the specific task will be displayed. So the analysis part is not the bar chart is not showing beautifully because we only have a small number of tasks. So in this, let's log out, and log in again with net user net and 1 2 3. That's all. This is the already created task. We have some tasks here. So go to analysis, it will show some kind of beautiful analyzer task. The red line is the default task, the blue one is the finished task, and the blue one is ongoing task, and then the green one is finished task. In this, the default task is orange, pink, red, or blue. You can see the number change here. And then in this, we access to tasks dashboard. So I made the session as to check if the user is logging or not. So if I log out and without logging in, if I'm trying to access tags dashboard, it will show the error like you need to log in to access pages of the website. So, and if I'm trying to access like an existing pages like http, it will show the error 404 and the page not found, invalid route address, and we back to login. So that is all we have done for this task, and now I will try that with Docker. So in this, we can finish this and then check Docker, like if there is any containers running. There is no container. For that, I made 3 services: DB for the MySQL database, and backend for the backend services, and frontend for the frontend services. It's obvious. So there's the simple multi-service Docker container. So in this, to be able to make the Docker start, we can start with Docker compose ft. The npm install and other things will be ran with this. So we can just enter and it will build the container. So in this, the container MySQL DB, task management backend and frontend are started, created and started. So we can check with Docker PS, and we can see the running container here, the 3 container. And then to make sure that our database is successfully connected to Docker, we can check with this command to check the root user, to log into the root user in the Docker. So if I enter the password, root user, using password, okay, try again. So it's logging. Last time I typed the password wrong. So in this we can see show database, and there is this database, and I will use task management Docker database, and the database change will show database. There's 2 database, tags and users. I also provide for your reference the SQL file in this. So I will type it quick and then check if the Docker container are running. Okay, so it's running. So let's test with Docker again for the web application. So let's try localhost, and then we can see we can access the same as I described before. We can access all the things I write, and then we can still log in to the same database and all the same things. So and then that's all for the midterm. I forgot to say something. I use the MVC stretcher for the controllers and models and middlewares, and then publish. So in this build, in the builds, I use EJS build engine instead of normal HTML. So for the frontend part, I need to use the niche.conf file to ask the backend to get the starting page, which is the login page, because I don't have index.html to display like a static frontend service. Thank you, sir.